Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are doing a fall room transformation. I'm so excited. I have all of my decor over here and I'm going to give you guys a haul of what I got. Yesterday me and my mom went to Goodwill and I was just looking around and I found two little cute pieces. I'm so excited. I love this time of year and Christmas as well, but fall is my favorite time of year. But I'm going to give my room a fall makeover, room makeover, and I'm excited. So I know you guys are going to be excited too. So let's get into the haul of what I got. So I have a bag of fall stuff that I'm going to show you guys because yeah. Starting off first, I have this pillow and it says thankful on it. I'm very excited to put that up there. And then I have another pillow. It says let's snuggle and watch scary movies. I've had these two pillows for a few years now. And I was like, I don't want to buy any more pillows because I already got some. And then the next thing I got this from Goodwill. It says Hello Autumn on it. And it's so cute. I like the little wreath in the middle. And then I have two white pillowcases because I want to change my pillowcases. And then I have a like pumpkin throw blanket. And then I have a little pumpkin pillow that could go on my bed. And then I have some little pumpkins. And I got these from Dollar Tree. I went to Dollar Tree, so I got these. I think they're so cute and they're glittery. And then my mom gave me a sweet cinnamon pumpkin candle. I don't like the small pumpkin, but it'll be cute for decor. And then she also gave me a lemon candle, which again, cute for decor. I got like some art. So this says gather with a grateful heart, and I got this from Goodwill. And then I have this one that says Hocus Pocus. I've had this for a long time as well. I have this one that says it's finally fall, which I think will be cute by my door. And then I have this one that says give thanks. Super cute. So that is my haul. And then excuse me, I'm gonna start with my bed first because I think it'll be cute. Let's start with my bed and then go from there. Alright guys, so my room is finished. I love the way it turned out. It's so cute. And I'm going to show you guys how it looks. Okay, so starting on this, my end table, I put my candle here, I put a pumpkin here, I put a little like sign here, and I left the white right here. I took the green off, and I put the Hocus Pocus sign up here, which I think is very, very cute. And then on my bed, I added the white pillows, kept my 2 green pillows, put my thankful pillow in the middle, and the little pumpkin on the side. And then I put my pumpkin cover over it. And then on this side, I took out some of the green. I left this green candle. I put a little flower plant here, a little pumpkin here, a picture of myself, and then up here I put the sign that said it's finally fall. This is still the same. There's nothing like different about this because I think it's cute. It still matches the fall vibes. And then same here, but over here I took out all of the green. I added my little scary pillow here on the chair. I put the sign that says Hello Autumn right here. I think that's super cute. I put the other sign that says Give Thanks next to my mirror. Here's my laptop. And then I put the lemon candle here. I put a pumpkin here. And then little like orange-ish decorations for fall. And yeah, I think it looks really, really good. I'm obsessed. I'm happy. I love how my room turned out. It's so cute. And yeah, so like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on my post notifications because I'm going to try to keep posting more. And yeah, so thanks for watching.